How serious is this?
Oh, I mean, it looks very difficult right now. I mean, there was another judge arrested yesterday, a former judge arrested in New Mexico, Judge Dugan today. But these are very difficult fact patterns. Both cases have difficult fact patterns, which will show that it could take a while to figure out what's going on. Are these individual cases, or is this part of the broader pattern?
You read the ICE directive enforcement actions for courthouses issued the day after Donald Trump was sworn into office, and it allows a lot of wiggle room. ICE officers or agents may conduct civil immigration enforcement actions in or near courthouses, it says, when they have credible information that leads them to believe the targeted alien is or will be present at a specific location. But it goes on to say where such action is not precluded by laws imposed by the jurisdiction in which the civil immigration enforcement action will take place. As we watch President Trump arrive in Rome, Aaron, this leaves a lot of room for interpretation. Tony.
Well, yeah, in this case, Judge Dugan said you have to go see the chief judge of the jurisdiction. And the chief judge said you can't arrest someone in the courtroom. It has to be in a public place. So that led to what are the facts here, where the prosecutors say that Judge Dugan took the person out of the courtroom and brought them down a hallway outside. So there are a lot of different things that can happen in the New Mexico case. The judge had someone in their back house, in their I forget, a small house in the back behind their house. And when agents came to look for him, he apparently deleted a telephone or broke a telephone to keep evidence that he was in Tren de Aragua from going into prosecutors' hands, federal agents' hands. So these are difficult cases.
Well, and as we watch President Trump, as well as the First Lady Melania Trump, being greeted by officials at Leonardo da Vinci International Airport in Rome, this comes, Tony, after a Time magazine interview with the president was published, in which he was asked about his attitude toward the courts, and he repeatedly insisted that he respects courts of law and court decisions, including those of the Supreme Court. But how much real question do we have as to whether or not this administration has been fully in keeping with the decisions of judges all across the spectrum?
There are a lot of cases, and we all know them. There are the immigration cases. There are student cases. There are a lot of cases where things are coming up. Today, there was a lot of comments from people in the administration. We found out about the judge in Wisconsin because Kash Patel posted something on X and then deleted it, and then it came back a few hours later. Then Pam Bondi did her interview on Fox News, and we found out about the second judge in New Mexico because Tom Homan posted on X. So there was clearly a lot of coordination and publicity going on toward these cases today.